Good morning to all. Welcome to Blue Star Higher Secondary School online class 8, subject physical science. Students, last class we saw what are fibers, fabrics and natural or artificial fibers. Next topic we will see what are synthetic fibers and types of synthetic fibers. First we will see what are synthetic fibers. What are synthetic fibers? What are synthetic fibers? So, synthetic fiber is also a chain of small units. Synthetic fiber is also a chain of small units. Chain of small units. Synthetic fiber is a chain of small units joined together. Each small units is a chemical substances. Each small units is a chemical substances. Many of such small units combine to form a polymer. Many small units combine to form large single unit. Large single unit is called polymer. Large single unit is called polymer. So synthetic fibers means synthetic fiber is a chain of small units joined together. Each small unit is a chemical substances. Many such small units combine to a chemical substances. Many small units combine to form large single unit is called a polymer. Poly means many and mer means part and unit. Mer means part and unit. This is the synthetic fibers. Next we will see types of synthetic fibers. What is that? Types of synthetic fibers. Types of synthetic fibers. Students, already you have learned in class 7 what is silk fiber, silkworm. First, silk fiber is obtained from silkworm, first discovered in China. And the fabrics are obtained from silk fiber. Fabrics is obtained from silk fibers was very costly. It is a beautiful texture and fascinated. The chemical properties is similar to that of silk. Such a fiber is obtained by a chemical treatment of wood pulp. What is meant by wood pulp? Wood pulp அப்படினா தமிழ்ல மரக்கூழ் அப்படினு சொல்வாங்க. So wood pulp is used to manufacture of paper. Next, what are the types of synthetic fibers? There are three types of synthetic fibers. First one is the rayon. Rayon already you know. The men's wear the coat shoot. Next one is the nylon cloth. Next, polyester and acrylic. There are three types of synthetic fibers. First we will see rayon. Rayon is the artificial pulp of the wood pulp. Rayon is called the Silk. Rayon is a natural source of wood pulp. Rayon is a natural source of wood pulp. Rayon is man-made fiber. Rayon is a man-made fibers. Rayon is a man-made fiber. It is cheaper than silk and can be woven in silk fibers. It can also be dyed in a varieties of color. It can also be dyed in a varieties of color. Next we will see nylon. Next we will see nylon. Nylon is another man-made fibers. Nylon is another man-made fibers. It first discovered in 1931. 1931. It was without using any natural raw materials. It was made without using any natural raw materials, only prepared by a man-made fiber. Only prepared by a man-made fibers. It is prepared from coal, water and air. Prepared from coal, water and air. Nylon fiber is a strong, elastic and light. Nylon fiber was strong, elastic and light. And it was lustrous. What is meant by lustrous? Lustrous is a shining, beautiful and sparkling. Shining, beautiful and sparkling. Nylon is used for many articles such as many articles made from nylon, socks, ropes, tents, toothbrush, car seat, car seat belt, sleeping bag, etc. So nylon we use many articles made from socks, ropes, tents, toothbrushes, car seat belt, sleeping bags, etc. Then next polyester and acrylic. Polyester and acrylic. Polyester and acrylic. Polyester is another type of synthetic fiber. Polyester is another type of synthetic fiber. It is easy to wash and making dress material. It is easy to wash and making dress materials. Next, terylene is another type of polyester. Terylene is another type of polysters. Terylene used to manufacture of textile industry. Terylene is used to manufacture of textile industry. Next, what is meant by PET? PET means polyethylene terephthalate. Polyethylene terephthalate. That is the PET. That is the PET. PET is very familiar form of polyester. It is used to making bottles, utensils, films, wire and many other usual products Next we will see acrylic. Acrylic means we wear sweaters, shawls. And blankets in winters used of this acrylic cloth, not made from natural wool, prepared from another type of synthetic fiber called acrylic. Next, characteristic of synthetic fibers. Next we will see characteristic of synthetic fiber. Characteristic of synthetic fiber. Characteristic of synthetic fiber. First one is the students, imagine that is a rainy day. What kind of umbrella would you use and why? The synthetic fibers is a unique characteristic. Synthetic fiber is a unique characteristic. Synthetic fiber is a unique characteristics which make them popular dress material. Then dry up quickly. Synthetic fibers are dry up quickly. Synthetic fibers are dry up quickly and durable, less expensive, low cost, less expensive and easy to maintain. And easy to maintain. So this is the characteristic of synthetic fiber. Students, I have attached today assignment and I have attached one videos for types of synthetic fibers. Thank you.